Ah, it finally arrived. Yes. All right, so let's dig into this package. Receipt. A little bit about how to take care of the saws. Okay. Very carefully wrapped and protected. Okay. So this is the wow. Look at that beauty. That's the London long stroke. It's 10 3/4. It's a fine dovetail saw with lacewood handle. Oh man, does that feel good. Very nice. Wow. That lacewood is beautiful. I was able to select my own wood for the saw. I picked lacewood. Wow, really nice balance. The handle is fitted to my hand. I sent Shane Skelton and his wife Jack a outline of my right hand, and they use that to create the grip. Wow, does that fit like a glove? Amazing. All right. And let's check out the other one. This is a, they call it the Arc. It's a veneer and inlay saw made with a flamed beech handle. Wow, look at that. Just beautiful. Notice the arced blade for cutting veneer and inlay. Wow, these are just works of art. Absolutely beautiful. Well done, Shane. Definitely worth the wait. I am anxious to use both of these saws, but first impressions are they are as beautiful as I hoped they would be in person.